Do you want to hire someone to edit your scanned document? Then TuneOr Digital Agency will be the best solution for you because we edit scanned documents the fastest and at the lowest cost. Let's show you live today how we edit a scanned document. The document shown on the screen is a scanned document.
First, we will take the document to Photoshop. Then we will write the same text on the part that we will edit.
We will match the same font and font size of the text in the document exactly the same.
Then we will match the color of the font. Then we will hide the layer of the new text and delete the text below from the document in such a way that there is no damage to the background and it is not clear that anything has been deleted from here.
Then we will make the new text layer visible again. By making a smart object, we will give the necessary effects to the text so that the text matches the scanned document. Here we have used noise, blur, outer glow shadow, etc. Then double-click on the smart object to go to the bottom and change the text to the text we need. Save and cut the smart object window from Photoshop, and we will see our new text, which looks exactly like the original. For your convenience, we will show the before and after images at the end of the video. So what are you waiting for? If you need to edit any such scanned document, contact our TuneOr Digital Agency today. Visit tuneor.com or contact us directly via WhatsApp or Telegram. The numbers are given in the description box. Thank you.